Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Can You Guess the Country by Its Shape? This is part 4 of our series, and we're focusing on the fascinating landscapes of West and Central Asia. Today we're challenging your knowledge with some of the most uniquely shaped countries on the planet. Can you identify them just by their shapes? From the deserts of the Arabian Peninsula to the mountainous terrains of Central Asia, these regions are a treasure trove of history, culture, and natural beauty. But how well do you know their shapes? Get ready to explore the diverse and captivating shapes of West and Central Asia. We'll show you the shape of a country, and you'll have a few seconds to guess which country it is. Will you emerge as a geography genius? Let's find out. Grab a pen and paper to keep track of your score, or just play along in your head. Put on your thinking caps and see how many countries you can guess right just by their shape. Are you ready? Let's get started. This sprawling nation is the world's largest landlocked country. Which country is it? The answer is C, Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan has a land area of over 2.7 million square kilometers, but doesn't have direct access to an ocean or to a sea that's not landlocked. The shape of Kazakhstan touches the Caspian Sea along its western border through the Volga-Don Canal, but large ships can't travel through it. This country is considered landlocked, although it has access to a small coastline. Which country is it? The answer is B, Azerbaijan. The landscape of Azerbaijan is home to nearly half of the world's mud volcanoes, most of which are active. This includes a small coastline along its east and southeastern border with the Caspian Sea. These fascinating geological formations can spew mud, gas, and water, with some reaching heights of up to 700 meters. This small island nation is in an archipelago of 33 islands. Which island nation is it? The answer is D, Bahrain. Bahrain is an archipelago composed of 33 natural islands and an additional 51 artificial islands. The islands offer a mix of desert plains, sandy beaches, and rocky coastlines, with the largest being Bahrain Island. This island nation is characterized by two prominent peninsulas. Which island nation is it? The answer is A, Cyprus. The shape of Cyprus is characterized by two prominent peninsulas. The Karpas Peninsula extends to the northeast, while the Akamas Peninsula protrudes from the northwest. The Akamas is a pristine and rugged area renowned for its biodiversity. It is home to numerous rare plant and animal species. The area features dramatic cliffs, hidden coves, and beautiful beaches. Almost 95% of this country's population occupies about 5% of the land area along the Nile. Which country is it? The answer is C, Egypt. Most of Egypt's territory is uninhabited deserts, with the Sahara covering over 90% of the country. It is the largest hot desert in the world. This vast expanse of arid land features a variety of landscapes, including sand dunes, rocky plateaus, and salt flats. The eastern coastline of Egypt is bordered by the Red Sea, which is renowned for its stunning coral reefs. These reefs are among the most beautiful and diverse marine ecosystems in the world. The shape of this country encompasses one of the largest freshwater high-altitude lakes in the world. Which country is it? The answer is B, Armenia. Known as the Jewel of Armenia, Lake Sevan is one of the largest freshwater high-altitude lakes in the world. Situated at an altitude of about 1,900 meters above sea level, it covers an area of approximately 1,240 square kilometers. The Tian Shan mountain range stretches primarily across the eastern part of this country that borders China. Which country is it? The answer is D. Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan is a landlocked country that is predominantly mountainous, with the Tian Shan mountain range covering about 80% of its territory. The country's highest peak is Jengish Chokusu, formerly known as Peak Pobeda, which stands at 7,439 meters and is one of the highest points in the world outside of the Himalayas. The country is home to one of the largest and deepest alpine lakes in the world. Situated at an altitude of 1,607 meters, Issyk-Kul remains unfrozen year-round, even in the harsh winter. Its name translates to warm lake in Kyrgyz due to its moderate temperature. This country is home to the highest volcano in Asia. Which country is it? The answer is A. Iran. The landscape of Iran includes vast deserts, lush forests, and rugged mountain ranges such as the Alborz and Zagros Mountains. The Alborz Mountains is home to Mount Damavand, the highest peak in Iran and the highest volcano in Asia. This is the most mountainous country in Central Asia. Which country is it? The answer is C. Tajikistan. Over 90% of Tajikistan is covered by mountains, including the famed Pamir Range. The Pamirs boast some of the highest peaks in the world, with several exceeding 7,000 meters. The country's landscape is dotted with breathtaking lakes, many of which are located at high altitudes. One of the most famous is Lake Karakol, situated at an elevation of about 3,900 meters in the Pamir Mountains. This lake is known for its striking clear blue waters and serene beauty. This country is home to the Darvaza gas crater, also known as the Door to Hell. Which country is it? The answer is D. Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan is known for its vast deserts, such as the Karakum Desert, which features the unique gas crater known as the Darvaza gas crater, also nicknamed the Door to Hell. This crater is a natural gas field that collapsed into an underground cavern in the 1970s. The site has been burning continuously ever since, creating a fiery landscape. The crater is about 230 feet in diameter and 65 feet deep. The Greater Caucasus Mountains form much of the northern border of this country with Russia. Which country is it? The answer is A. Georgia. About 80% of Georgia is mountainous. The Greater Caucasus Mountain, which stretches along the northern border of this territory, features some of the highest peaks in Europe, such as Mount Shkara, which stands at over 5,000 meters. The majority of the Mesopotamian marshlands are located in this country. Which country is it? The answer is B. Iraq. Most of the Mesopotamian marshlands are located in southern Iraq on the floodplains of the Euphrates and Tigris rivers. This is one of the largest wetland ecosystems in the Middle East. Stretching along the eastern border of Iraq and into Iran, the Zagros Mountains are also significant. These mountains, with their rugged terrain and deep valleys, are a source of many rivers and streams that irrigate the fertile plains below. As we wrap up this exciting episode of Can You Guess the Country by Its Shape Part 4, we hope you enjoyed traveling through the intricate contours and fascinating geographies of West and Central Asia. Don't forget to comment below with your score and let us know which country shapes stumped you the most. And if you haven't already, make sure to check out parts 1, 2, and 3 of our series to test your knowledge on other regions around the globe. You'll find the links below. Thanks for joining us on this journey and expanding your global knowledge with us. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. See you in the next video.